feeding your new baby is something that every mom and dad has a little anxiety about at times, and it's important to learn how to do it. Most moms will figure it out, most dads, and are taught by moms how to figure it out, and most babies get this right without too much difficulty. But I often will talk about some principles that I think are good to keep in mind so that this will be a little bit easier on parents, because feeding an infant is sometimes a really anxiety-provoking thing. So one of the things that is important to remember is that this is something that your baby doesn't know how to do. So, like everything else your baby learns to do, you need to teach him or her. And they look to you with your knowledge to teach them everything about the world, including this. So they're not hardwired to know how to do this. Now, eventually they would figure it out, but if you want this to go well, it's probably good for you to use some of your expertise as somebody who has been around longer to teach them this thing about the world.